How's it going, folks? SYG Tech is here. So this is the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. I'm planning to do advanced return to home. The time is nearly 5 o'clock, I think. Oh, it's nearly 6 o'clock. Okay, so what is the plan? So we have the DJI Mini 5 Pro on the third tile. And as you can see, there's a trees underneath. Also, I'm gonna fly the drone under these two trees, obviously this tree here and this tree here. So we're gonna fly the drone under and we'll see if the drone will come back safely on this side here. This is the third tile. So let's do that. Let me leave the camera on the side and let's fly this Mini 5 Pro. It's getting dark now, which is great. Let's take off. Okay, so we're gonna screen record. The home point is being updated. We're gonna go this side. And as you can see, on each side we have a tree. So let's see how accurate it is and let's see how safe we can come back home. Let's go high. I'm not gonna go far away. Probably I'm gonna go like 200 meters away, which is pretty cool. Yeah, you can see the camera on the side. Actually, let's confuse it. Let's go to the right. Yeah, that should be okay. And now, like I mentioned, so we have a tree underneath. We have another tree on other side. So the drone basically needs to come back on this side. So let's see if this actually is gonna happen. So actually let me make, yeah, so let me press now the return to home. Okay, so let's see if the drone is gonna come back now safely. Again, like I mentioned, it's 6 o'clock. I'm gonna have my finger to cancel, return to home, just for in case. So the drone should come under the trees. This is pretty cool. I think it's coming now. You can see me over there. Wow, look at that. It's thinking. And it's coming on other side. Wow, this is crazy. And like I mentioned, we had the first, second, the third tile. Pretty accurate, pretty accurate. So there we have it, guys. Pretty accurate. The DJI Mini 5 Pro. This is advanced return to home or smart return to home. This is pretty cool, pretty crazy in my opinion. Pretty nice. So yeah, there we have it. Any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.